Yo, welcome back to my channel. It's Bonitah Aura once again. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. If you've not, and if you've not yet liked the video, please like. For the new subscribers, I love you so much. For the returnees, you're really wonderful and great. As you can tell by the title of this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I do my skincare routine from the point that I remove my makeup to the end. Let me hope it's going to be what's wrong with me today? Let me hope it's going to be useful on your side if you try it. So before going to the video, let me first show you the products that I'm going to use, the products and the items that I'm going to use.
These are the products I'm going to use. I'm going to use this honey. I'm going to mix it with sugar. I use them for exfoliating the skin. And I'm going to use aloe vera. You know, aloe vera has a lot of uses on the skin. Then I'm going to use these are the wipes for removing my makeup on the skin. Then I'm going to use also shea safi. I told you lately in some video back the uses of shea safi on the skin. It's used as a moisturizer and it balances or toning your skin color. So if you use it, it will be of a very, 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 very good help. Ignore the milk. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I'm going to use. Let's get to the video.
So first, on my lips, I've put some gloss to make my long-lasting lipstick. Soaked, it's purple to make to be soaked. So I start by using my wipers to remove the makeup. As I get done, my skin is really feeling good. Really feeling good, and it's out of makeup. As you can see, it's just free. Have you heard that, guys? Oh my god. So now it had pressure in it, don't worry. I'm going to add my honey with sugar. Honey with sugar. And mix them up. Mix them up gently. Start applying the skin for exfoliating to open the pores up. But it's better you use the brown sugar because it's really gentle on the skin. It's not so harsh to bring bruises or cuts, some small cuts or markers on your skin. If you're using this white sugar, you have to use it so gentle in a circular way so that you don't hurt yourself or bring unnecessary markings on your skin. First leave it to sit like for 5 minutes so that you can wash it off. I'll get back when I'm done with washing away this first step. Guys, I feel my skin is really nice and soft and rejuvenated and clean and pore opened. And but it's sometimes good to leave the skin to dry by itself without using any towels or clothes. Yeah, so that for the second thing that we're going to apply, I'm going to apply this aloe vera. Yeah. Please, God, it's so freaking sour. Oh, so you're going to leave. You have to leave the aloe vera like if like for 5 minutes till after you wash it off. Then you go in another level that I'm going to show you. Let's get right back. Guys, aloe vera is very sour, I'm telling you. So I'm just done with washing off the aloe vera. I think you can see how my skin is good and cleansed and rejuvenated and healthy. So you see, it's you just have some pimples, and but they'll have to clear by time. So guys, I'm going to use this. This is shea safi, as I've told you that I had to show you in the last video on its importances on the skin. So it's what I use as my moisturizer after doing all the processes. Excuse my top, please. Just so stubborn. This is how it looks like inside. I've used it a couple of times. So it's very good to use shea as a moisturizer on your skin, because since it has no chemicals, it's just plain organic, it will be of a much importance than any other. Yeah, that's it. I think it's so shiny, oily, those ones with dry skins. So guys, as you've seen this video, that's how I do my skincare routine if I've applied makeup, and even if I've not applied makeup, it's what I do for my skin to remain. It's my go-to skin care routine that I always do, even if I've applied makeup or not. It's what I do. I use shea, I use honey, I use sugar, I use aloe vera. So that's it. Please like the video, subscribe and comment. Till next time, love you guys.